Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Cassie. In today's video, I'm going to be organizing my pantry because as you can tell, it definitely needs it. There's things just thrown everywhere. So if you guys want to hang out with me for the next few minutes and get this pantry into shape, let's go ahead and get right on into the video. First thing I'm going to do is remove every single thing from the pantry and go through it, make sure that there's nothing old or expired, and that way I also can get a really good look at what exactly I have so I can figure out how I want to organize it. So I was looking for a container set that was going to give me a lot of containers but not cost me an arm and a leg, and I found this set on Amazon and I think it only cost me about $50. So if you're interested, I will leave a link to them down in the description box below. I love the quality. They're not like a locking lid like the OXO containers, but I think that they'll get the job done just fine. Another thing that I purchased off of Amazon were these labels. I am so obsessed with these, you guys. I first saw them on Amy Darley's Pantry Organizational video. They're from Talented Kitchen and you get 110 labels for $15 on Amazon. I will also leave a link to these down in the description box below. I love it. I just think it's an extra step to keep your pantry super organized so you know exactly what's in what container, what is in each container. So I will leave a link to them, like I said, down in the description box below. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the rest of this video so you guys can just chill and listen to some music, and I will be back to check in with you guys later. This is what I got so far. I think I'm pretty much done. I'm going to show you guys exactly where I decided to put things. So starting from the bottom, this is where I'm just going to keep the extra juices and drinks. And then right here in the second tier, I love that they had a sticker called this and that. So this is where I put like pasta sides and cornbread mix. And then I had this basket from forever ago. I think I got it from the Target dollar spot. And I just put some of the kids' snacks in there. This basket was a housewarming gift when we moved into our last place from a friend of mine mine. So I'm just using that to store like potatoes and onions, and then I have a bag of tortillas right there. And on this shelf is where I'm going to keep all of the pastas and rice and beans. So I got my pasta jars lined up back here. I have a little thing of pasta, white rice, breadcrumbs, and then some lentils, chickpeas, which I love that there was a sticker for because I just so happen to have lentils and chickpeas. And then sunflower seeds, quinoa, and brown rice. And on this shelf right here, I've got chocolate chips, pancake mix, a sweetener. This is actually sugar in the raw, but there wasn't a label for that, so I just put sweetener. This is cane sugar, which there wasn't a label for that either. And I contemplated cutting off the word sugar from powdered sugar, but then I was like, no, because if I get powdered sugar, now I'm not gonna have a label. Grits and raisins. And then I kept these two things off of the Lazy Susan because they just wouldn't fit. So there's just some pancake syrup and then cooking spray. And I got this Lazy Susan off of Amazon as well. And I really, really like it. I'm not sure if I have too much on there because it's kind of like going in a little bit. But this is where I just have like raviolis, peanut butter, there's like canned tomatoes, all the canned goods. On the top I have a little thing of canola oil, some pesto, and I think there's like tuna, honey, pineapple tidbits, and then apple cider vinegar, and then like cream of mushroom soup and cream of chicken soup. And then back here I have a mason jar of coffee, and then I have a little bottle of chili pepper oil. And this stuff back here I'm just gonna keep like miscellaneous stuff. So I have some K-cups and some Parmesan cheese. And then behind the Lazy Susan I have like spare bottles of ketchup, something else, but like spare bottles, so when we run out of whatever's in the fridge, I'll go behind there. The last shelf up here, I decided to keep the cereal bottles up here, and I already had this one. I've had this cereal keeper for probably like 2 years or so, and then I've got 2 other ones, which is great because I could only obviously put one kind of cereal in here, so I always had those cereal boxes, which I hated looking at, so I'm happy that it came with 2 cereal keepers. And then I have flour, granola, brown sugar, and then just like a spare Kodiak cake muffin breakfast thing that I've been taking to work. So I did want to show you guys how many stickers I still have left over. I've got a bunch, so I think I'm gonna get a few more containers. Maybe later on, I'm not gonna like rush out and go get any more, but I do have a ton of stickers left. So yeah, eventually I'll end up getting more containers and using up some of these stickers. I'm not sure if I'll ever use like apricots, but I like that there's a miscellaneous one. What other ones that I like crackers, things like that. So if I get more bins from Dollar Tree, I can just slap these stickers on, like they've got a snack one. I really like these stickers and it's a really pretty font. So yeah, if you guys want to order yourself some of these, I will leave a link down in the description box below. I'll leave a link for these and a link for the containers that I purchased as well. So I did want to mention really quick that I actually had more white rice than what would fit in the container. So I'm definitely going to be getting another bin and storing things like this for like brown rice and just stuff that doesn't fit in the container, just so I can like clamp these together and store them in a little, you know, bin or whatever. So that way when the container gets empty, we can refill. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm in the middle of filming a cleaning video as well, so don't mind the dishes over there. So yeah, so far I really, really like how it turned out. I do need to go grocery shopping, so I'm sure once I go grocery shopping and I get more stuff to fill up the pantry, I'm probably gonna end up needing another Lazy Susan, if not some more of these like bins to store things in. But yeah, so far I am really, really happy with how it's looking. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below. I'm gonna be posting all of the lifestyle content on my channel every Saturday or Sunday, so make sure you're on the lookout for those. And subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.